7 in the morning, we shall eat oats with cinnamon and honey, with some coffee, of course. Yeah, then at 10 a.m. we shall have 2 eggs with red pepper. That is not the fruit or vegetable, that is like a sprinkle. Let's just write there, sprinkle. And a half a slice of toast with peanut butter. And then here we're gonna have fresh vegetable and fruit juice. Yes, we will not have any tea or coffee that time because we are having fresh vegetable and fruit juice. Then at 1 p.m. we shall have meat or fish or chicken. That shall be a nice meaty meal. Let's have it with coffee. Then at 4 p.m. well, that's just before our workout usually, so let's have something with a lot of carbs. I think let's have cereal with ginger and cinnamon and yogurt and honey. And then the last meal of the day will be, that'll be at 7 or thereabouts, probably a little bit later. Let's have chopped sausage in steamed vegetables with yogurt. And this one we shall have with, what can we also drink that's nice? Let's have, I think we have some chicory. See, the coffee has too much caffeine. I don't want to drink that so close to going to bed. There's our eating plan for now then. Now to get us in the mood for some food and cooking and whatnot, let's listen to my favorite food song ever.
Let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.